Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to program the Cox remote to the TV Samsung, Vizio, LG, Insignia, and Sony. First, turn on your TV and Cox cable box before programming the remote. Then press and hold the setup button on the router until the light blinks twice. Next, enter the TV brand code using the remote keypad codes that can be found in the Cox remote manual or online. The light on the remote should blink twice after entering the code. Next, press the power button on the remote to see if the TV turns off. If the TV turns off, the remote is programmed correctly. If not, repeat the process with the next code for your TV brand. Test other buttons like volume and input to ensure full control. For auto search, press setup until the light blinks twice, then press and hold TV power until the TV turns off, releasing the button immediately. Then press setup again to log in the code once the TV responds correctly. Keep the Cox remote handy and verify all functions work with your specific TV brand. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.